My name is Kavya and I'm a BE graduate in Electronics and Communication stream and I have scored 8.22 CGPA in Engineering from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, and I have joined Jspider in November and I placed it to a company Infosys for a package 3.6 LPA. Come to the feedback about Jspider Rajajinagar. It was very useful to the joining to here. We learned many things such as just it as a platform to learn a basic programming. I learned Java and SQL, which was very necessary to getting into the any company. It's a very easy to getting into the any IT company if we join the Jspider Rajajinagar. When coming to the feedback about faculties, here faculties is very experienced, well experienced, and they are very interactive. They solve any problems or doubts about student. Especially Uday sir and Keshav sir were very good. They have very good teaching skills and all. Thank you so much.